its problems.
It seems that the evidence against you has failed to appear. You must be a very dangerous man, Wei Shen. That is exactly what we want people to think.
Fuck, they finally deport your ass from the United States?
It was mutual. Time I came home anyway.
Our intel suggests that Winston is looking for muscle. You need to find a way to make him trust him.
So, you feel this? It's just crazy.
Try capable.
To bring down the Sun on Yi, we have to take down the people who support them. We want the Red Bulls, the lieutenants, and most of all, the Dragon.
Feels like the game has changed.
This is the life we chose. There's a civil war brewing inside me.
Used to be a brotherhood. It was a code.
You know what happens to rats, Wei?
You come in out of nowhere and suddenly our guys start to get arrested?